Good morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Sunday. It's nearly Christmas. How many sleeps to Christmas?
8 today.
8 sleeps to Christmas. And we're having a bit of a lazy... We're having a lazy day. Getting toys thrown at me by Sapphire. Sapphire. Good morning, Sapphire. Good morning.
She's in a bit of mood together.
It's nearly lunchtime. It's nearly 12 o'clock and she's just got up. That's the face of a very tired baby. Yes, we're going on holiday. We are heading to... Where are we going, Zarina?
Paris.
Oh, no.
Paris. We're heading to Disneyland. And it's a bit of a drive, actually, from Yorkshire. It's a bit of a drive. It's about 12 hours, actually, from Yorkshire, from West Yorkshire. 12 hours to Disneyland.
Yeah, that's going to take longer.
I'm driving back, but I'm driving via Hull on the way. But to Hull, I'm going to get the ferry, about a 12-hour ferry. We've got a nice cabin on board. And then we're going to sail to Zeebrugge. Then from Zeebrugge, it's about 3 hours from Zeebrugge. It's not too bad, really. It's like 4 hours in total driving there. It's a nice drive. And then we're going to drive back via the Eurotunnel. So it's going to be a nice little road trip. It's going to be expensive. I'm going in the Range Rover. It's about 15 to the gallon. So I'm dreading that. So what I'm going to do is put enough fuel in to get to Hull, then fill up in Belgium, because I think fuel's cheaper there. That's a bit of a tip there for you guys. If you're driving to Belgium, don't fill up the full tank. Right, we better sort your hair out.
No thanks.
Start packing the bags and getting all the cameras sorted out. This time we're gonna change the vlog a bit. We're using several cameras at this time, and we've got a new microphone. You okay, Sapphire? What are you doing? What are you doing to me? What, are you trying to hit me with the fridge? Right, guys, just been uptown to get some euros, and Zarina's been to see Santa Claus, so I just put a photo here. So we've got 2 hours before we set off, and just walking through Trinity Walk, and that's what Zarina got off Santa Claus. Not bad, went to see Santa Claus. It's nice at Wakefield, it's free to see Santa. It's alright. We give a donation. Heading back to the van now and start packing.
Good morning, guys. Well, it's nearly evening actually.
Yeah, it's 4 o'clock.
It's been a quick day. We're on our way to Hull. Aren't we, Mike?
On our way to Hull, we're going to get in the ferry to Zeebrugge.
Yay.
The kids are tired.
Sleeping. Well, yeah, Saf's just gone to sleep as well.
A beer. I brought some beers with me. Brought lots of beers actually. I've pre-booked the food on board. It's cost 47 quid, and that's for 2 adults and 1 child. I believe Sapphire's free, so that's all right. She's nearly 4, so she eats more than us lot put together, and she's free. Can't be bad. If you purchase your meal tickets on board, I don't know how much it is, so I'm interested to see how much I've saved. So it was 19 quid for an adult, and about 9 quid for a child, which is not bad, and you get your drinks as well. It's nice food, eat as much as you like.
Do get alcoholic drinks.
No alcohol, it's just soft drinks. So I have badly tonight.
Okay.
don't need to drive tonight, so I can have a few beers.
We've got to get up early in the morning.
Yeah, we've got to get up at like 7:30 UK time.
6:30 their time.
I think we've actually got to get off the boat for 7:30 UK time, which is 8:30 Belgium time. Quite early, isn't it? Stupid time, really.
Before they put tannoy on about 5 o'clock in the morning, so you start getting ready.
Yeah, so 6 o'clock in the morning Belgium time. That's when the tannoy goes off. Get out of bed. Get off boat now. That's like 5 o'clock in the morning UK time.
Ding, 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 ding.
So I'll be shattered tomorrow when we get to Disney. So the cars are going on there now. I hope there's a petrol station in zeebrugge because I'm running out of petrol. I've only put a bit of fuel in to get there because it's cheaper in Belgium for fuel.
What are you in out with us drinks? It's cheaper to get them here than on boat. Take them on a side. Bye.
I need a coffee.
Bye.
You've got big feet, Zarina. Look at the size of them feet. As you can tell, we've got on the boat, we've got in the cabin. I need a shave before I go out. Need a shave. And I've got a beer. Beer.
Daddy, look at these
Cheers.
little mini ladders.
I wish you put some clothes on, Zarina.
Why do you take your clothes off every time we go anywhere?
Yeah, Sapphire's got no clothes on.
Why are we going for dinner?
Just having a walk around. This is a shop actually. This is quite nice for a shop. This is the casino, but there's no roulette. That's a bit disappointing. No roulette. Got a lot of game machines. This is a show after here. So this is the Pride of York. You've got the Starbucks round here. That's open to about 11 o'clock. So apart from the roulette, not being a roulette in the casino, I would say it's one of the best boats they've got as a ferry. It's better than the Pride of Bruges, the Pride of Rotterdam. It's quite nice. Heading back to the cabin now to see if the kids are getting ready. The restaurant closes at 9 PM, so we need to get in there really. It's about 7 o'clock now. So got a couple of hours to get ready and get some food down. It's 21 euros if you pay at the door, but we paid 19 euros, so we saved a couple of euros per person. So that's not bad. This is the kitchen. You've got all the soups, hot buffet, themed dishes, cheese board, desserts. Pretty good, pretty good. We close at 9 o'clock. Serena's got a right plate full there. Saf's got a small little plate. I'm sure she'll want more after that. Is it nice? And I've gone for a soup for the time being. I don't know where Mum is. Mum's up there, so Ash up there. Filling the plate up.
Bedtime.
As per usual, turkey. You have Sunday. You can have not Sunday dinner. You can have Christmas dinner on here today. They've got all the sprouts. I didn't fancy a sprout.
I've gone for curry again, mate.
Curry. Which one?
It's a lamb tikka, vegetable korma, chicken.
Serena's still tackling that plateful. You get some more?
No, I'm getting pudding after this.
Pudding. Plate number 2. I'll open them. Whoa, it's a freezing cold night. We're just going for a walk on deck. Freezing. Time to say goodnight, God bless, guys. Please like, subscribe, please leave a comment, and we shall see you tomorrow, guys. Take it easy. Take it easy.